Now the next thing is we need to create our project structure, because there are lots of files that we are going to create, and for that we need to create a proper project structure. So for that, let's open our Visual Studio Code, and here you can see we have only one main file. And now first we need to create two directories. One is database and another is schemas. So where first is database and the second is schemas. So in this database directory, we will create database connection file, models, and also for CRUD operation, we will create one separate file. Okay, so both three will go in this database directory, and in this schemas, we will create identic model. So in the next video, we will just create database connection. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.